Scenario at 14:30 hours, the vessel at vicinity of the southern part of Panay Island with rising tide and on course of 278 degrees true course and speed of 10 knots. The OOW observed two lighthouses at the same time. The Libertad lighthouse bearing of 90 degrees relative bearing, while the Pushu Port lighthouse at 30 degrees relative bearing. At 40 minutes, Pushu Lighthouse bears 60 degrees true course, distance of 3.2 nautical miles, and the OW altered the course to 0.16 true course times 10 knots at 15:54 hours. Nasong Port's lighthouse bear of 30 degrees relative bearing. After 30 minutes, Nasong Port lighthouse bears 90 degrees relative bearing. So in our performance criteria, position at 14:30 hours. So in 14:30 hours, we are need to add all the. So you will just add 278 true course and the relative course of 90 degrees. So we have 368. 368 minus 360 equals to 8. So that's correct. The plotted bearing of the lighthouse and true course. So we have 008 true course because we just add the 278 and 90 and then minus it with 360. We have 008 true course. Correct plotted the bearing of Pushu Lighthouse. So the Pushu Lighthouse is given here bears 60 degrees true course. So we have 60 degrees true course of Pushu's Lighthouse. Correctly plotted the course line to 7 at 30 hours. So we are plotting 278 the true course at 14:30 and the speed of 10 knots. Correctly determine the coordinate for fixed position at 14:30. So in 14:30 we have latitude of 11 degree and 54.2 and longitude of 122 degree and 38. So applied the International Notation Convention and course line and the fixed position. So we have a fixed position of 14:30 and at the line at the true course of 008 true course. So we are proceed to position at 1510 combined bearing and range. So correctly plotted the true bearing of Pushu Lighthouse. So the true bearing of Pushu Lighthouse, we will just add here we will just add 16 plus 30. So we have 16. We have 60 true course of Pushu Lighthouse that is given already. And then correctly measure the distance of Pushu Lighthouse port. So we are need to measure 3.2 nautical miles. So in 3.2 nautical miles, that is our fixed position for 1510 hours. And then determine the longitude and latitude of 1510. So we have latitude of 11 degree 47.4 and longitude of 122 degree and 43.6. And then apply the International Notation Convention. So we have here a fixed position of 1510 hours. And then an LOP at 1554 and 1625 running fixed method. Okay, plotted course from the fixed position at 1510. So we have in 1510. So LOP at 1554 hours and 1625 hours. Running fixed method. Plotted the course line from fixed position at 1510. So we have correctly plotted the first LOP of Nasong Port. So the first LOP of Nasong Port is 016 true course. So we will just connect it to the 3.2 nautical miles of fixed position of 1510. So at 1510, correctly plotted the second LOP of Nasong Port Lighthouse. So in second LOP of Nasong Port Lighthouse is 46 true course because we have a 30 true course and plus 16 bearing. So we will just add it. So we get 46 true course at 1554. So that is the first and then the second LOP is 1625. So in 1625 we have already 106 true course. So that is our second LOP. Apply the international notation. We have here a fixed position and running fixed position at 1625. So read the reckoning at 1554. Locate the DR position at 1554. So at 1554, So we are up. We had already the R position. So we have 46 true cores, and then apply the International Notation Convention of dead reckoning. So we already applied that. So running fixed position at 16:24 hours. Transfer the first LOP to the DR position. Okay. Locate the running fix at 16:25. At 16:25, we are already. So okay, that's finished. Apply the International Notation Convention at running fix. Okay, that's already finished. Terrestrial coordination. Locate the running fix. So in running fix, we have a latitude of 11 degrees and 51, and longitude of 122 degrees and 54.9. And that's all. Thank you.